So, the MBIE and Immigration New Zealand have just rolled into Queenstown, and they've done what we all knew needed to be done. 11 businesses were visited, and 2 workers have been handed deportation notices. It's not a surprise, is it? You only have to look at the retail and hospitality sectors to see where the dodgy dealings are most likely happening. And we've all heard the stories, haven't we? Migrant workers overworked, underpaid, and exploited by employers who think the rules don't apply to them. 3 infringement notices were issued to businesses, and 3 visas were cancelled for people who've already left New Zealand. Good riddance. But let's not pretend this is just a Queenstown issue. Brendan Streeter from the Labour Inspectorate even admitted it. Exploitation's been on the decrease, but retail and hospitality still show poor behaviour. You don't say, Brendan. The operation was about making sure minimum employment standards were met and that employers were following immigration rules for their migrant workers. But here's the kicker. The MBIE isn't done yet. They're still reviewing the data, which means more businesses and dodgy employers might be in for a rude awakening. So let's call it what it is. This is long overdue. We've let these sectors run wild for too long, turning a blind eye while vulnerable workers were taken advantage of. Exploitation hurts the workers, it drags down fair competition, and let's not forget, it's a black mark on New Zealand's reputation abroad. How's that for a message to potential tourists and investors? So here's hoping this investigation leads to more than just a slap on the wrist for a few. Before you go, remember that immigration laws change all the time, and all too often, people miss out because they aren't up to date. It's really important to get a handle on immigration, so watch this video to make sure that you're on the right track. Until next time, see you soon.